All right, we set the tow a little bit ago. I test drove it. I had a little bit of a vibration. So I've got Scotty's checking the wheel bearings, checking everything in the steering and the suspension, double checking everything.
Needle nose, players, something, anything.
Getting that done real quick. And I'm gonna go out for a test drive, put fuel in it, program the speedo, and that's just about all there she wrote. All right, getting gas in Mo's vet. Filling it up. Gonna do a little bit more test driving. She definitely has a little bit of trouble getting in and out of driveways because she's so low in the front. But she stops good, she goes good. I have a little issue with the speedometer not wanting to program, and the tachometer signals in and out, but all the rest of our gauges are working perfectly. Steering's dead on, brakes are dead on, good throttle response. Happy car for the most part. We just got gas, and you can see she's full. 97%, you know how they click off. Pretty good. Oh, there we are, 99. Ooh, we're full. We're full. All right, let's go for another drive. All right, out on our test drive. This is my third test drive. What the fuck? There's something wrong here. So I was driving it, and I was like, why'd that get loud? That's the quality exhaust work like that job. Alright, so this side was never even welded. It looks like it's just been JB weld boogered on. Lovely. So I'm sliding this back on. We're gonna clamp it the best we can, and then this could go back. All right. Driving along. Happy car. Got our exhaust fixed. Got our rev limiter issue resolved. Got our massive steering vibration handle. Ended up the tire rods were, the toe was so far in, it was pigeon toed. I mean, she does follow every little crack in the road, but she seems pretty happy right now. I'll finish off our little test drive and have Mo come get her. Mo to come get her. Time to go home. Yeah. Mo's gonna go drive his baby.
And she finally leaves. 1 year, 9 months later.